Hey gang, Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting here. In today's video, we're going to talk about lost sales codes, how to create them, and where you assign them to different parts of P21. So we're in lost sales code maintenance screen here. We're just going to create a couple. We're going to call this one stock out. You can name them what you want. I believe there are some limitations, obviously, on character length. But these are ones that you name. They're just not auto-generated by P21. Now you notice that this effective usage, I cannot uncheck that. And that's because if we look at this setting here in system settings, we are capturing usage at invoice. That means that I can't change this setting. If I had set myself to capture usage at order entry, I could unenable this checkbox if I wanted to, but I do recommend capturing usage at invoice. That's most common. Obviously, this is going to be your active or inactive. If it's active, you'll be able to use it elsewhere. If it's inactive, you won't see it. So we're going to save that one. Then I'm going to create another one here. And then we're going to jump over into company maintenance and show you how to set those up. So we are on the lost sales tab within company maintenance. Now, even though they call them reason code here, and this is why I was saying that reason code and lost sales ID are kind of synonymous in P21. This is where you can come down here and you can get finite down to why you're canceling an order, why you're canceling quantities, things like that. And there's a bunch of different other things in here that you can make possible. Opportunities, if you're using opportunities and you want to record why did we lose this opportunity, you could force your staff to make sure that they're recording that. In this case, we're going to set up order RMA. We're going to make it prompt, and then you can put a default one if you want to. I don't recommend doing that because then you're not really allowing them to make that decision on why they're doing it. And lastly, we'll do cancel order. We'll do prompt, and you just hit save. And at that point, anytime somebody's doing an RMA or canceling a sales order, it's going to say, hey, why are you doing this? And I'll cover that in another video. If you guys like videos like this, if you want to see different videos, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned because Atlas is here for your Profit 21 needs.